I saw somebody struggling with the plant list on the Vectorworks forum, so I'm just going to go through it quickly. So first of all, landmark. The important thing is you need to choose your plant data source. Now I think I've covered this before, but you've got the Vectorworks plant database, which is the FileMaker Pro-based plant database, and you've got the plant catalog, which is a text-based file, much quicker to go through. So I've got the plant catalog. So then when I edit a plant, let's just edit my plant style. So we click on plant catalog. At the moment it says existing trees. I'm going to choose plant list all, and that gives me access to all of my plants. There's about 6,000 here. So you should find all the plants you want. If you're looking for a particular plant, you can click use filter. Let's try the filter. We want this to be a category equal to, let's call it ground cover. And there are all your ground cover plants. The way this works is that each of these plants has a category here called ground cover. Now if you want to have a perennial or look for shrubs, type in shrubs. Now it finds all the plants that are shrubs. Now you can create your own plant lists like this one here. That's another movie. So if you're a member on my website, have a look for this movie. I'm going to go through how to add your own plant list here and how to create your own plant list to make it easier to find. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget, if you like this movie, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell so you get notified. I'll catch you later.